Hello.
What's up?
What's that, guys?
Yeah.
We went to Walmart.
And this is real.
This is real. We literally went to Walmart.
Which one are we?
It was in this Dorito small. We're opening the mini brands we got. This was not from Pop Mart.
Yeah,
this is from Miniso.
So
Yeah, the rest of the things in here is from Pop Mart.
You gonna get a golden ticket? Sorry, that's not my finger. That's the logos, but
yeah. You can get a golden ticket. And by the way, the golden ticket,
it's just rare
to get. And yeah, I need to take my splint off for this. No, I don't. Never mind, I lied. And it's the category books, so you can get little books. That's where you get the gold.
Dang.
I do that. My yawns.
This reminds.
I just wanted to make this ASMR. Like.
This isn't ASMR, bro. Oh. Oh.
This reminds me of opening LOL dolls.
I know. Those were so hard to open when I was little.
know.
Like, because little kids used to, like, steal them and try to open them.
Oh, my gosh.
That's why they made it so
One of my
hard.
friends had this really rare, like, toy. It was, like, really expensive. And these girls stole it. And then they had, like, no toys because they were, like, broke. And they were friends with them. And, their mom was like, oh, where'd you get those? And then they didn't tell where. Oh, wait.
Oh.
But, and then we went there and saw her mom, and then she was like, those are my toys.
Oh, they're different.
Oh, these are different ones, guys. Okay, wait, I think it says which ones we want on here.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one.
It doesn't. Oh, it says what you want.
I want heart bones.
I want the Secret Garden or the pants ones. Or Never Never. I want Never. I want this one, this one, this one.
Okay, let's see what I got.
Okay. She's opening hers first. Oh, my next.
Oh, I also wanted this one.
She got the. Open it. Oh, inside of it is a golden ticket if it's in there. Did you get it? Is that a golden ticket? Shut up. Wait, what?
No.
Is that the golden ticket?
Shut up.
She has the golden ticket.
First one.
That is crazy.
Yo, my luck
I'm open
is
this one
insane.
too. I'm open this one
I'm
too.
totally keeping this book. Thank you,
That is crazy.
I think if you get this one, then.
Whoa. I got around. Yeah, this one does not have.
It'll be in like the middle.
I just flipped through all the pages.
Did you not get it?
Wait, ASMR. It's so buns.
Did it. Whatever.
Next book. You open yours.
No, you
get
need
another
open
one
yours. You open yours again.
Okay. Well, we're sharing these, so basically we both got it. I got the hidden staircase.
Okay, check if there's a. That's sad. Oh.
What is this? Is it a bookmark? You go like that?
That's a bookmark.
That's cool.
I can't believe that. Oh.
Did you do another
I
one?
got like a different one.
Oh, that's like a stand, like a bookshelf stand. You know when you make them?
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, I'll open another one. Oh, I got a part of it too.
Oh, I got a candle. So, like, you know how you read?
Oh, yeah, and the thing is it shows the candle.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cute.
That's
I think it's in every single one. I'm not sure.
Maybe not.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine next. Please. This one's a book. Oh, I really got the pants.
That's cool. Oh, I wanted that one. And the candle, guys.
I did not get the golden tickets.
That was so lucky.
First one.
That's
Okay,
crazy.
this is our last one. I really 3, 2, 1. I really hope you get the golden ticket.
You open yours first.
I got the. Oh, this one's pretty. What? Oh, wait. Let me see. Yo,
if you can read that.
Okay,
This is
we'll
a bad
check if
word.
there's a golden ticket.
No golden ticket.
No golden ticket.
She's the most luckiest person on planet Earth.
And I got it first try.
Yes.
I'm
that's
really-
so lucky.
I kind of like these books.
Yeah, these are cool. Oh, can you actually read them?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
You have to have really good eyesight.
Yeah.
But let's give them a little haul. I got a bookmark in this book. It's the hidden staircase. Then I got
I'm just
gonna say the first word, but Mobby.
We can't say the last word.
And then I got Ronald Dale.
Oh, so this means it's a rare book.
Oh, that's
Because
cool.
look, it's even on the front.
And then I got a candle.
We ripped off the page, but I think remember it showed the exact same book as this?
It showed that book.
So I think you have to have this book to get the golden ticket.
Yeah.
Well, I'm lucky.
You're so lucky.
I know.
But basically, we both got it because we're sharing them.
Yeah. But it's mostly mine.
Yeah.
I'm going to build this.
We had that conversation.
Yes. So it's not like, oh, she's so lucky, the other girl's not. We are sharing.
Yeah. What should we do next? Should we do the big
Candle.
one? Wait.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Next. So we got different ones. I got Skull Panda.
We both have school. They're both.
But they're just different like things.
Yeah, they're different things, but they're both called School Panda. And look, and this is mine.
Mine's more like.
Okay, we have to tell them which one we want.
So I want Rock On, and of course The Secret.
Okay, so
This is Rock On.
this one, and the secret's down there, as you could saw.
But you can't see what it looks like, so.
And then the one I want a couple different ones. Honestly, they're really cute. I want this pink one, or this red one, and of course the secret.
Okay. You go first.
Oh, okay.
Same time, actually.
Yeah.
But I suck at opening these, so just gonna.
Okay. We have to close our eyes.
Oh, it comes in a package.
Oh, it comes in.
But don't look at the card.
Wait, you open yours first, and you have to
Okay.
close your eyes, and I'll see it first. So close your eyes.
Oh, it comes in a little package. This is, I don't know what it is. This is what it is. I got 3, 2, 1. I'm not mad. Wait.
That one's kind of cute. Wait, it's just soft. That's so soft. I wish you guys could feel that. Wait, what is this?
Whoa.
Oh, that's. Wait, is that a secret?
No.
Wait.
Wait, is it?
No,
I
it's
got
that
this
one. Okay. Now.
But we still always. Wait, I would have. Okay, close your eyes.
I'm first trying to open this. Okay.
Ooh.
That one is actually so cute. It's like a little
know.
fairy. Wait,
Okay,
that's a little fairy.
These are the ones that we got.
I'm going to take that off. That's so cute. That's so cute. I love that.
Okay, this is our last one.
Oh, it has a little card inside of the box.
That's what I was saying.
That one, mine's teak wood. Let's keep it in the box. You have to keep the box.
Yeah.
What is yours called? That's right there.
Coca.
Coca. That's cute. Last but not least,
Our 3
crybabies.
crybabies.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the one
We
I
already
want.
discussed which one we want.
So I really want She's Alice. We both do.
Yes, I love this.
We want all of these. Oh wait, no. All of these 3, and of course, either the super secret or the secret.
And yeah, we want this one, or this one, and then the secret or the super secret.
Yeah.
Wait, ASMR?
Beautiful.
That was so ASMR. Okay, so
I'm
you open
scared.
yours first this time. Why does it kind of look like a little blue?
No, you're first because I went first last time.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Shoot. Wait, I'm scared.
You close your eyes. You're opening it first.
No,
Oh,
I opened it first last time.
Oh.
We can even. Okay.
Ow. Wrong my elbow. Who'd I get?
Oh. Did you get the duck you?
Oh, I got Duck You.
Oh, that's not really the one that we want.
Guys, that's not the one we
yeah.
wanted. There's one called Duck You.
If I got duck you too.
You got the one we wanted.
I got the bumblebee. They kind of look
Yeah.
ugly, but
Yeah, oh well.
I got the bumblebee.
It's called Bumblebee.
They're so big.
Oh, it shows you it too.
Oh, that's
Oh,
cool.
it's like a sticker, like a card unboxing. It's a sticker.
That's cute.
Okay, we're not gonna use the sticker yet though.
That was really fun.
And let's put the trash in the bag. Except for the bags. We always keep the bag.
That was all for today.
Yeah.
But
we'll do it in a second. 1 second.
Just 1 little second.
Keep the card. Okay. We'll do a little preview of what we got. Yeah.
Where's the card?
Did you put your books in the cap?
Wait, where's my other...
Your books in...
Wait a second. Oh, there it is.
And then your books are right there. She is so lucky she got that. The
Okay,
gold ticket is crazy.
So this is what we got. Where's my crybaby? Oh, yeah, my books. Okay, first, this is what we got for our books again. I got this. No golden ticket or bookmark, sadly.
Sadly.
I
got 1 bookmark.
I got the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants.
Yeah.
No bookmark.
So weird.
Nothing.
But it's actually pretty cool. Like that, it's like an actual book.
And last but not least,
the golden ticket.
the literally golden tickets that I got from this book.
I want the golden tickets, and then the girl cried out, "Find the policy."
Hmm?
Golden ticket, obviously.
Yeah.
And then I got in mine. You got a candle too. She got a candle.
Oh yeah, I got a candle. I almost forgot, and it just broke.
Ooh, I got a candle too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, everyone got candles. Then I got, all of mine have no bookmarks. I mean, yes, one of them has bookmarks, but none of them have a golden ticket. This one is Ronald, Dale, James, and the Giant Peach. You can see it on the Giant Peach. It's like, you can see no golden ticket. But then we have Mobby, yeah, and again, no golden ticket, no! But I basically still got one. Not really. And then a bookmark, and it is The Hidden Staircase. I thought you were trying to do 6, 7 to them. I was like, what?
Oh, no.
Clock it. That's mine.
Okay, next is next to the Skull Panda. Finish ripping it a little. This is the one I got. I'm pretty sure her name is Cocoa. I'm pretty sure.
It's Odie to Cocoa.
Cocoa. I'm just gonna call her Cocoa for short. I really like it.
I like this little thing.
I just really wanted Rock On though.
Yeah, Rock On's pretty cute. Where's Rock On? Oh, that's it.
The first one.
Okay.
Or I either wanted this one, the one on the front. And yeah, where's the card?
Oh. And then I got, which one did I get? Is it on here?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
It looks yellow.
I know.
I got teak wood. It's pretty cute. Do not mind the feathers in its way.
No, but I really like it. It's like
It's like, I love fairies.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
I did. Oh, the hat. It feels like a wolf.
Yeah, I love fairies. So
Oh, it's about like nature. Let's
yeah,
see
it's
what
supposed to be
mine's
like a
about.
fairy. See?
I think hers is about nature and mine's about...
I feel like it reminds me of a cow. I'm not gonna lie.
Kind of does. I don't know what mine's supposed to
Mine's
be
a
like.
fairy. This one, I saw this on YouTube and I wanted it. But I didn't know it was this exact one.
Okay, well, I really...
Mine's called, yeah.
But
mine's
I
called
love
teak
mine
wood.
eyes. It's so like orange and glowing.
Mine's are closed. Yes, wait, I just noticed that. I wanted one that was closed. This is called teak wood. Wait, that's not how its thing is supposed to go like weirdly. That's weird.
That's fine.
That's weird looking.
And then our crybabies that look kind of ugly, but they're all...
We're thankful.
I got the bumblebee.
She wanted that one, but she didn't notice how like ugly it was. Duck you. No. Duck you.
But these are like really rare to get.
Oh.
And they're most sold. Not these.
Yeah, they were very sold.
Oh, these aren't crybabies. These are crying again.
Oh, those are crying again. We lied.
Oh, dang it. No.
Oh, the box.
Sorry,
I got duck you. If you know what it means, you know. You know.
We
Why do I
even
have so many things with bad words in it?
I know, you got the...
I got the
book.
The book. Mobby.
You know.
Dwick.
Hick. Dwick. Yeah.
Dwick.
Wait.
And I got duck you.
So, she got a lot of cursing today.
A lot of cursing.
That's okay.
Yeah, but I love it. Look at its mouth.
Wait, let me see the book
And look
again.
at the duck.
Let me see the book.
The book?
Yeah, the duck you. Or
The
duyak.
The duyak. Here's your candle to read. Thank you. Lights the book on fire. You're so lucky.
I know.
She's lucky today. She got the ones that she wanted in the crying again, and then she got the golden ticket.
Oh yeah. It might not look like it, but then when you go in here, I can't believe they sell these in Miniso.
Oh no. I'm trying to read it. She's trying to read it. Oh my gosh. She wears like freckles. What is that?
Oh, what is that? No, those aren't freckles, but
Do I have it too? Wait.
okay, but see, it has a little cussy word.
Little cussy word.
Can't really see.
And then I
it,
also have
but-
duck you.
I mean, it's not really like a.
As soon as I told my mom, she'd be like, "What? What'd you get?"
She's gonna tell you to throw that away, bro.
Yeah, you got what?
I was
But my favorite
expecting-
part of my trying again is the duck.
And I love how Manchester studied the bumblebee.
Bumblebee, like the Transformer.
Yeah.
I love Bumblebee is my baby. I love Bumblebee. But that was our little haul of what we got.
From Pop Mart, that is very real. See? Show you the bag one more time.
Yeah. Oh wait, let me show you one more thing I did not get from Walmart, but it was so off selling. It was $100 for one box.
Oh.
And it was Biggins Energy Labubu. Yeah,
Is it? And
that's real.
it's real, but so. See, it's real.
And also has 9 teeth. You can count it. Wait, let's give him a chance to count.
Ready? I'll count for you, darling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at that.
Like that.
But yeah, it's real. And look at its toes.
Has the logo.
Anyways, oh, this is fake.
No, it isn't. No, that isn't.
Cause look, it's printed on the
That's how it is.
No.
That's how it is.
No.
You have different ones. You don't have those ones.
Oh, they might be a little different.
She has the excited macaroon ones.
Oh yeah, I have the excited macaroons.
No. I think this is real. It's skinny like that, you know?
Wait, let me see.
Have you seen those bald ones?
Oh yeah.
And some of their faces are upside down. But I paid $100 of my money, so if that's fake, I'm calling a manager. But yeah, let's do something. Wait, let's take your stuff out of the box, or I can, if you want to. Except for just put the Labubus in my earlobe. I'm going like this. I'm gonna go like this now.
All my Labubus are at home, so
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bye!
bye. Oh. Pause it.
Bye.
I can't. Move. Move.
Bye.
Bye.